Glassy and clear skin with turmeric mask. Hello everyone, welcome to Natural Beauty Tips. With summers coming in and the heat taking over, the sun makes our skin even oilier. We get more prone to breakouts and other skin issues because of that. However, we all want glassy and clear looking skin. We buy crema and face washes that never seem to work. We buy all kinds of different products but they don't really work. This is because our skin sometimes needs to be healed and taken care of by organic and natural ingredients. All store-bought ingredients have some sort of chemicals in them, like preservatives, that can harm us in one way or another. However, when you use organic and fresh ingredients, they contain no such toxins or chemicals. Hence they are so much better for our skin. To get glassy and clear skin, just follow the recipe and you'll have beautiful skin in no time. To make the mask, you'll need turmeric, rice flour, yogurt, honey. The turmeric helps in defeating the bacteria on your skin and fights acne, helps reduce acne scars and cleanses your skin from within. It nourishes your skin too and giving you glowing and clean skin. The rice flour gently exfoliates your skin and removes all the dirt from your skin and gives you cleaner and healthier skin. The yogurt is essential as it contains lactic acid, which not only cleans your skin but also moisturizes and softens your skin. Lastly, the honey is also an antibacterial that will help reduce the appearance on pimples which occur due to oil getting trapped in your pore. To apply the mask, make sure you have clean skin. Then apply it onto your skin, making sure to cover all parts of your face that you have problem skin. Then you can leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. After dried, wash it off with cool water. This will ensure glassy and clear skin. Welcome to our Facebook page. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and find out to one place on our official website.